Experiencing the backspace key deleting only one character at a time on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? This is a known software glitch in iOS 18, particularly affecting the keyboard and typing settings. The issue arises due to interference from new AI-driven features like enhanced predictive text. These features sometimes override the continuous deletion function when the backspace key is held down. This isn't a hardware defect, but a software bug that Apple is aware of. The problem is more prevalent when predictive text, autocorrection, and smart punctuation are enabled. Let's dive into how to fix this frustrating problem. While Apple is expected to release a full fix in iOS 18.2, here are some immediate solutions. First, try toggling off predictive text in Settings, General, Keyboard. Many users have found this resolves the issue. You can also try disabling autocorrection and smart punctuation individually to see if one of those is the culprit. Restarting your iPhone can sometimes clear up temporary software glitches. As a last resort, you can reset your keyboard dictionary in Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version as Apple releases incremental fixes. If the issue persists, consider using a third-party keyboard app like Gboard as an alternative until the official fix arrives. Stay tuned for iOS 18.2 for a more permanent solution.